Digital marketing refers to the use of digital channels, platforms, and technologies to promote products, services, or brands to a target audience. It encompasses a wide range of online strategies and tactics that businesses and individuals use to connect with potential customers and drive engagement, conversions, and sales. Digital marketing takes advantage of the Internet and electronic devices to deliver marketing messages and campaigns. 1. Search engine optimization SEO 2. Search engine marketing SEM 3. Content marketing 4. Social media marketing 5. Email marketing 6. Influencer marketing 7. Affiliate marketing 8. Pay-per-click advertising PPC 9. Display advertising 10. Video marketing 11. Mobile marketing 12. Analytics and data analysis 12. Analytics and data analysis.